Hey everyone, Jeff McDowell, the bald guy with another video tour on this 2014 Porsche Cayenne Diesel. Not many of these out there after the whole little fiasco happened way back in the day, but this is definitely a cool vehicle. Something unique is definitely in the color of this. It's kind of like a bronze yet brown metallic. Front end's in really good shape. There's not a lot of damage, a little bit of some pitting. As you can see, some bug splat stuff that happened, but they had a clear mask on here, or still have one. And then you have parking sensors that are in the vehicle. Of course, the nice headlamps. Looking down here on the passenger side, you'll see it is free of dents and dings. Wheels are in great shape. What really complements this paint though is this interior. Definitely a nice setup to it. Seats are in great shape. There's not like dark blue from like denim or coffee stains that I'm seeing. Back seats don't even look like they've really been used at all. But you do have heated rear seats in the back, as well as the dual climate control that you can help kind of push different temperatures into the back seat with. Your power lift gate. Do have your all-weather and your carpet mats, and then you have your 40-20-40 split, so if you need like a little bit of pass-through, some skis or something a little bit longer, you're able to put that in. Tow hitch down on the bottom. Here's a look down your driver's side. Everything pretty much at your access right there. And tons of ability to adjust these seats. Definitely one of my favorite things is being able to extend the seat. And the nice thing is this area isn't open. Even a couple of our own Mercedes have that, and it becomes like a crumb catcher. Excuse me. So nice little setup. And of course, like all Porsches, your ignition's on the left-hand side. You'll see that we have just over 74,400 miles. Navigation or multi information screen here. And of course, all your different touchscreen pieces. Heated and ventilated seats on both the driver and passenger. You can go your different sport mode, and then of course change between on-road and off-road. And there's even a couple of different connections for your media inside there. And for your parking sensors, if you did want to turn it off, you can just hit that button up top there. And then of course your moonroof built in there as well, or sunroof. But beautiful car. It was locally owned here in Colorado, so the person bought it brand new. Heavily maintained it at all the different Porsche dealers, and it was a one owner with no accidents reported. It does say some parking lot damage was reported. Went through the car. I didn't pick up on any paint lines. All the actual panels, especially stuff like this right here, they all match up. So I'm guessing it was probably just being safe, that if somebody bumped into them in the parking lot, that they had filed a police report or an insurance claim, make sure everything's okay. But I'd love to invite you in, take a test drive of the vehicle. Once again, Jeff McDowell with Mercedes-Benz of Westminster.